Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Boars and Varmits. So it's 2020, and this is the time of year when everybody puts out all their best compilation clips of what they've been shooting and getting, and everybody puts out their advice of New Year's resolutions and all that kind of stuff. And really, for me, I'm looking at 2020, and what it makes me actually do is look at 2019. I'm a person that really loves to look at where I have been. And so in 2019, this time last year, I was not doing Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. I actually didn't start the channel until February. And so before that, I was just out hunting. And really, I think about what do I want to do better this upcoming year. And in 2019, what I started doing better was hunting more because I love hunting. So how can I do that more? I can get access to more owners' lands. I can make friends with people who have these thermal and night vision devices so that way I can learn from them, go with them, get better in this process, and then start doing the channel. And there was a key moment that made me decide, okay, now you've actually got to do this thing and to actually make this become the next step. And that was a big deal for me personally. In the big scheme of things, I should have just got right over it and kept on moving on. But I've done a lot in 2019, and my plan is to keep going in the same direction and getting even better. And I always say at the end of this, whatever it takes for y'all, just keep being awesome. Just keep being awesome. And I that's something I really believe in for myself. And I want to do the exact same thing in 2019. I don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but I know that I want to keep being awesome. And so my encouragement to y'all is basically just keep doing the same thing. Keep being awesome. And it's not like I'm this guy that's got a whole bunch of money. No, I had 2 jobs in 2019 at the same time. I am a father of 2 beautiful children. And guess what else was another hindrance in 2019? My wife is pregnant again. So we're in the process of growing a 3rd one. And so we're going to have a little one in 2020. That's an amazing blessing. But I guess what? I'm doing all this stuff after the kids go to bed. So I can do this. If this is something that you want to do, you can do this, right? What else would I be doing at night after the kids go to bed? Watching TV? What's good on TV? I don't know. But you know what is good? Getting out there and doing what you want to do. So figure out what those things are. We all know about these SMART goals, being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, something that can be timed. I didn't write any of this stuff down. I just set out and actually did it. This is something I love doing. And so I made a year to make me keep doing it. And when things changed, I got hit by that 18-wheeler. That ain't going to slow me down. It changes things, but I'm going to keep doing something. That's why I started the podcast until I get completely healed up. And so, guys, whatever it is that you want to be awesome at it, just start doing something. That's what it took for me. I just actually had to make myself do something about it, make myself take that next step. And then next thing you know, I'm doing a YouTube channel and I love it. And I'm not some big name, but this is amazing. I'm super happy that I did it. And so I want to keep doing the same thing in 2020. So guys, whatever it takes for you to keep being awesome, go do it. Go be awesome. Bye.